Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that I took and alerted to our members here, and the idea here is for you to learn, and maybe you can produce some similar results by watching a profitable and successful trade and how it plays out in real time. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and trade reviews like the one that we're about to do right now, that we do on a regular basis, it's nothing in comparison to the membership you get at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up with your free 7-day trial, you're going to get instant access to those profitable trade alerts like the one that I'm about to show you now. You can see what some of our current members are saying about the membership, and then you can choose whichever membership suits your needs. Alright, so let's take a look at this chart here. So this is the 15-minute chart of Goldman Sachs, and we're going to be focusing on this day right here. Alright, this was Thursday. Alright, and this is a weekly options trade that we took. So right here we had a pretty much even gap. We didn't really gap up or down. The close of Wednesday was right there. The open of Thursday was right there. So pretty much stayed right there. Had this breakdown here. Didn't look that great. But if you look at where we bounced at. Right around these lows. Alright, so we were looking for bounces around that area, but with such a small level of support, and it is pretty small because we only have two candles here. There's a candle here that hit that, but with a small level of support like this, to me, I don't really like to just buy at that support. I want to see how it reacts. So we didn't buy at that support, and we were looking for some kind of a reversal. So we had this red candle here, this red candle here, and then I'm not going to share my exact strategy, and that's because that's only for members. I've taken years to develop this, so that's why I don't share the exact strategy. But what we do here is, you can see we made a higher low here and a higher high here, and we had a very nice green close bar right here. And we did so on some pretty decent volume for it being the third 15-minute candle in the day. So you can see that. So a big bullish candle closing over that previous candle high right there. And right around there was that signal to get long. So we got long right around here, around 226.8, and we did so with some weekly options here. You can see I alerted the weekly 227.50 strike calls at 120. The price was 120 that we alerted those at. So right around here is where we alerted at. And with an overall bullish stock, we bounced at this support, got that reversal signal. So we felt the low was in, and it ended up being correct. And we had this nice move up higher, kind of shelving here, holding under the moving averages, but you can see that it was getting used to holding these higher prices. All right, so we held higher, came back up into this resistance, and we ended up taking a little bit of profit here at this previous resistance. You can see the previous day, and this is actually another profitable play that we took the day prior. So we ended up taking profits at the same place we got rejected at the previous day right there, and you can see that we sold half at 160, so it was about a 33% profit that we made right there, 33 to 40% profit on half of those. And then, as you can see, I pointed out Goldman Sachs making new highs on heavy volume, looking really good. and that was right around here. You can see this volume that came in right there, and that's with this candle right here. That candle had some heavier volume, you can see right there, and then this candle had some heavier volume right there. So I was pointing out that bullish volume right there, and we ended up taking some more profit right here at this high up here, high of the day, and we alerted those for sold some at 280. So that was about 120% gain on those. Actually, about 130% gain on some of those contracts on those weekly options. So it was a really, really nice win for us, and we ended up taking the rest of the profit once we broke below this 10-period simple moving average on the 15-minute chart. And you can see right there we sold the rest at about break even at 114, and that was just 25% of the options we sold at break even, but most of them, 75% or 3/4 of the contracts were sold at either a 40% gain or 130% gain. So really, really nice trade here. And you can see we stopped out. We had that trailing stop here at the perfect level, because if we would have let it go any further, that trade may have ended up being not as good. But we ended up having that trailing stop, and this ended up being a really, really nice trade. And we predicted not only the bottom, but we predicted the top as well. And I hate to use the word predict, because that's not what we're doing, but just using patterns that we've seen over and over again, and that have the highest probability for success. So most of the time we're able to kind of, using the system that I've developed, correctly call intraday lows as well as highs. So that was a really nice trade, and hopefully you guys learned something from it. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to chat with you. So please let me know. And again, remember, if you like this video and you want to have profitable trades just like this one, go ahead and sign up for the free 7-day trial on the annual membership, and you're going to get instant access to trades just like that every single day of the week. Have a great night, and I will see you next time.